What's up, everybody? The Donruss Early Bird. It's one box of Donruss. It's break 4287. We are full. Dice roll. We're going 5 times. Your squad's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here, and we went 5 here. Seahawks up top, Bills at the bottom. Five times now to your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, 5 here, 3 and 2. 5 here as well. Derek up top, Joseph Walters at the bottom. Again, guys, all cards do ship. All cards do ship here at Jumbo's. Seattle did not sort. They stayed up top. Good luck, guys. Good luck. You'll get a notification here like the Nutty Breaks get ready to rip. Get some more sleeves and we rip this bad boy. Good luck, guys. Let's hit it downtown. Take your spots across the site, guys. A lot of breaks still could go tonight. Keep taking them. Good luck, gentlemen. Good luck. Irving, Fryer, Tyree Wilson. Press proof, Devin Witherspoon. Derrick Henry. Jared Goff, Dominators Bomb Squad of JSN. Josh Downs, and Drake London. Gridiron Kings, Devontae Adams, Chase Young on the press proof, Michael Wilson, Patty Mahomes, all pros action, all pros. Tim Patrick, Michael Mayer, Jahmyr Gibbs, Kendra Miller, Leighton Vander Esch for the boys. That's the 100. There's 2 boxers of this on the site, guys. Those will go next. 2 boxers will go next. No downtown out of this case as of yet. Miles Murphy, Josh Jacobs. Gridiron Kings of Bijan, press proof of Winfield. Maze Smith on the optic, rated rookie. Mozzie. Gridiron Kings of Jalen Reed and Jameson. Sam Laporta, the rookies. The Chiefs champions. KJ Henry Elite Series of Amari Cooper, Sean Clifford, I'm sorry. Geno Smith, red press proof. Will Anderson Jr., Captain Kirk, Power Plus. Emmanuel Forbes, Will Levis, the rookies. Bomb Squad of Jaden Reed. He's all over this product. Puka. Joe Thomas inducted on the autograph for Cleveland. Nice one there for the Brownies. Cleveland and Connor. There you go, Connor. I think it's your first break here, Connor. Nice hit, brother. Could be wrong. Tyja Spears. Nice auto. Tyler Scott. Tyreek. Dominators. Anton Harrison on the press proof. Jordan Addison. ×2. To 84. Christian Kirk. These numberings are weird. Hendon Hooker, Deion Sanders /199 for the boys. Primetime, Dallas and Tremaine. From Primetime to Showtime. Showtime Trey. Tyree Wilson. Stetson Bennett. Devontae Adams. Asante Samuel press proof. Elite Series of Rashee Rice. Ty Law, Devin Duvernay /100. So that's top loader. Last little stack. Rashee Rice. That is the break, guys. Here's the bigger hits, and then I'll show you the hits that aren't top loaded. These will be sleeved and top loaded as well. Deion, Duvernay, Christian Kirk, Joe Thomas. And these will be sleeved up as well. My apologies there. Yeah, I don't know, Keith. A lot of them are just, I don't know, a lot of them are weird. I'm finding a lot of weird numbering. I don't know. Not sure what they did. Looks like it's the 15 out of 84. And that one's the, like, 407. I don't know. Weird. That is the break, guys. Appreciate the fill. See where we're at. A couple orders came through. Keep plugging away.